Alright, hello everyone. This is just kind of like a remaster video, I guess, from my previous video that I made about converting your normal maps from DirectX format to OpenGL format on your Joazzz models. So, as we can see here, this is just kind of it in Blender. We want our normals to look sharp, we want them to look clean, because most of the time whenever I see people apply their normals, it looks like this. You can see the normals screwing up here. They look kind of smooth, chopped a little bit, and it looks like the light is bending the wrong way. We don't want that. We want it to just simply look like this, right? So this is a pretty easy way of actually fixing it, and I'm going to show you here. So this is what we usually are working with. This is the normal map that we usually have to look at, and you can actually see it here already whenever we have kind of those errors that I showed you guys in Blender before. You can kind of see it along here. So we're going to fix that. You're going to need GIMP for this, or any other texture editor program. So I personally like to use GIMP. It's easy and it's simple and it's what I've always used. So all that you're gonna do is right click and you're gonna go with open with. So there's an open with here, and it'll either have it here, and if not, then what you can do is you can go into your files and find where your texture actually is. So I gotta search it up real quick. So for example, go right here and then open up GIMP. Once GIMP is open, you can go to your files with all of the textures in it. You're gonna probably have to search it. I'm just showing you the long way because I have a pretty easier way of doing it. You can just press open and then boom, it's right here. That's one way. Another way which you can do is you can just do open with and then click GIMP, and then it does the same thing. Anyway, what we're gonna do here is, you see that it's transparent. This is also how you can use normal maps better, and well, the preferred way of using normal maps in like programs such as Substance Painter. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna come up here to colors. You come up to colors, you're gonna come down to components, click decompose. You're gonna want to make sure the color model is RGB. Usually if it has RGBA, just set it to RGB in the drop down. Click OK. And then for here on the green, you're going to want to select the green channel. So once you do that, this is your y-axis height map. So your red is your x, your y is your height, so your y-axis, and then your blue is I guess kind of your occlusion, your specular. Anyway, we're going to have our green selected, so it's highlighted like this. And you want to just click invert. Make sure all of your other maps are on. And then come back to colors, components, and then click recompose. You can see that it changes in GIMP. And then bada boom. That's it. That's really all that is actually genuinely all you have to do. Then you can just come up here, export as, put it wherever. I just put it in my downloads file. Export, it doesn't really matter on the export settings. Wait for it to export. And then bang. Oh, wrong one. But bang. That's all you gotta do. That's how you flip the green channel or the y-axis of your normal maps. And I hope this is helpful. Alright, cool.